time to go duck hunting.
This is like one of them things.
What's that like?
Difficult.
Our vehicle won't run.
It was dragging last night when it was raining.
Put your phone
We
up.
got 2 ducks down. I got one down in the woods over there. Colton just dropped one. Right back over yonder. It was high, it was a long shot. There's Mark right there.
There's some birds coming in over here.
Blake. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come, Colton.
Birds!
Shoot, Colton.
That's too far away.
Okay. All right, there's my bird. One of them. I got one in the woods. Colton's is right there in the middle of the screen. Kevin's walking out. Mark's got one way off there in that stump, and maybe you can see him walking. There's Blake. He fell down. Did you get wet, Blake? There's Colton. He fell down. But I caught him and he got his sleeve wet. There's a bunch of Tweety birds right there. Look up. It's a pretty place.
It's a drake.
All right.
A drake's a male.
So the one that we shot come all the way up in here. Flopped around a minute. Crawled up in this hole.
Oh, you didn't see it.
Anyhow, we kept on.
Little badger.
He kept on going.
She.
Keep doing it. He kept on going. So we had to dig from here and pull a wood duck out of the hole.
Don't watch it. This is too violent. No, take it like this. Go grab its head.
Grab by the head.
Just let the body go.
Grab by the head. Let the body go. Now swing it around like that. Bunch of times. That ought to do it.
That's called wringing its neck. Oh my God. What are you doing? Give it back.
I can't do it.
That's like a second video.
Now you gotta pop it. Just pop it. Boom.
There you go.
Well,
Get it.
Get
it. Good. Look at me.
So-
Look at me. That's what I'm talking about. Have to need a duck head or anything?
Well, that'll do it. I guess we'll eat her. All right. So we came to the other end of the place to see what it looked like.
Shot at beaver.
It's good. It's just deep. There's a beaver dam. Kevin shot a beaver on top of it.
There's a duck.
2 mallards flew in, and Mark went out there to see if he could take a shot at them, and then 2 wood ducks flew right over.
Got him.
Got one,
One of them had to die.
and the mallards flew off.
There's duck.
But it's pretty. But right here is kind of deep. He got up
Somebody
to
just shot a gun.
his chest out there
There's a
getting
bunch
the
of
duck.
people on the river shooting. Cinnamon roll with Michael Ball. I don't need no daggum cinnamon roll.
It's a gas.
The oven's not.
You sure?
The oven's electric. The stovetop's gas.
Back at the camp house, getting the fire going back again because we got a great thing that there's no propane. Tank's empty over there. So we're gonna get some coals going and cook breakfast right here. Some of it.
Yeah, we're documenting this experience.
Sure you don't want to use that best.
Here we are. Got the fire rolling. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Bacon in
Tear
there.
it all to pieces, but I can't. Where's the spatula?
Right there behind the canola oil.
In plain sight.
There's Colton.
Hey.
There's Blake. There's Kelvin. Oh, look at that. What is that over there? Oh, look. Oh, that's a duck. All right, we'll check back with y'all this afternoon. What time is it? 8:45 in the morning.
Nathan's through, huh?
Saturday morning.
Already?
Nathan just come out of the woods with nothing to show for it. Them boys are starved to death for some snails down here killing stuff.
We killed this hog and we got these duck eggs.
That's right. You see them headshots over there? Let's see if you can see them.
No, one guy's hit going off.
We shot them heads off so we didn't mess the meat up. All right. Take a little break. Let's check back with y'all a little bit. Just mark your nail sign now. You just take it and you just peel it back.
Egg? You want egg?
Okay.
You want another? I'm good. Want some more?
Not right now, I'll get some in a minute.
Cool.
Especially go get some bass to put in there.
You do that, make some fillets out
Hey,
of
get
it.
them on the plate.
I get him.
That golf cart running all right?
Seems to be.
All right, now we use our bacon grease and seasoned up a couple duck breasts and frying it up. Bacon just caught a fish. I'm gonna cook it too.
Hey, mate.
What? You want a cup of coffee?
Daddy,
What you got there?
wait, I want to go squirrel hunting this afternoon.
No, you got homework.
He's jealous.
That's what you get for killing a squirrel.
Food. You get to eat. Got a puckered up face.
No, it's just
You took a bite yet.
Stupid squirrel.
Yeah.
Right for the crotch.
Right in the crotch.
I still say it.
Right in the crotch.
What is
Why did you choose the hiney hole as the first bite?
Hey, that's where the juice is at. You gotta suck
You got
that
sucked? You got sucked the
juice out of there. Just like eating coffee.
You don't like it?
You gotta eat the whole thing.
Told you it's good. Ain't nothing like a tree rat.
Meat white. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
That's all it is a tree rat.
Take another bite.
A rat
another
with a
bite.
fuzzy tail.
Take a good bite.
Those scored like 14 points.
Is it good?
It's chewy.
Mom said yes.
All right, here we are on an afternoon hunt. There's Colton. Mark and Blake right down there. Kevin's behind me, Mark Hansworth's on down at the end. Ducks are coming in, but they're high, real high. Hold on a minute.
Oh, we gotta get this on video, guys.
So, what are we doing? Yeah, go ahead.
We're right here in the middle of the woods looking for a bobcat that Nathan Hanna says he shot, but did not kill. Walk this way? So we're gonna go see if we can find a upset bobcat.
I don't know why I'm here.
You
I'm
go
just-
first. You ready?
Sure.
Get in there.